welcome back. We're going to get our jump animation going real quickly here. So all I'm going to do here is, first let's create a jump animation. Go to the player, go to the animation. We'll say we're going to add a new clip. And we'll put this in animations. I see what the problem is. I put it in animation, not animations. Okay, so this is player.jump. Okay, I'm just gonna do a single frame jump animation. We're gonna go very Super Mario Brothers here, but I'm just going to take this back leg. And then the front leg like this. There we go. There's my jump animation. I know it's art right there. Okay, so there's my jump animation. And let's go into our animator. You see the jump's already been added. I'm going to add another variable here. This one's going to be a bool. So, for this one, we're just going to say, we'll call this isOnGround, just like our other one. And to start off, we are on the ground. So I'm just going to say right here, let's make a transition. I'm also allowed to jump from running. So I've got another transition here. But anytime we need to go out of a jump, let's always go back to idle. Because even if we're running when we hit the ground, we can go from idle and immediately jump back over to the run animation. Okay, so we're going to go to the jump. Turn off exit time, because I do want this to interrupt immediately. And we're going to say interrupt this if isOnGround is false. This one's going to be the exact same thing. No exit time. isOnGround is false. And then we're going to return to the idle. No exit time. And isOnGround is true. Okay, so I'm going to push play here so we can test it out, just make sure it's working. I'll move the animator over here so we can look at it. Okay, right now the character's on the ground, so they're good. If I turn isOnGround false, they go over to the jump animation. Oh, okay, so now when I get back to the jump animation, the legs are staying where they are, and that is because I never defined the legs for the idle animation. I'm just going to fix that very, very quickly. We'll go to the idle animation in the scene, and all I'm going to do here is select these three bones. Just gonna, we'll hit record, and for these three bones, I'm gonna rotate them, and then these three bones, again, I'm holding control so I can select multiple. I'm just gonna rotate them and put them back. That way the properties are there. Okay, let's try that one more time. Okay, isOnGround is false now. So I'm going to say isOnGround is true. If I switch back and forth, I am going back and forth between the jump. Okay, let's go ahead and get to the script graph script. Okay, here's the player. Let's open up the script graph. Here is the horizontal movement animation. Let's leave that there. Let's go ahead and add another sticky note, and this is for the jump animation. Okay, so in the same way, I just need to tell the animator that a variable is changing. So I am just going to say, let's add a node, animator, set bool. There's the animator set bool. it is the animator on this game object. The name of the bool that we are setting is on ground. And this is pretty simple. All I need to do is add is on ground. That's our jumping variable right there. Get is on ground. Right there. Okay, so that is all I need to do is say check if we're on the ground, then we should be idling. If we're not on the ground, then we should be jumping. So I am going to connect this here, and then we're going to connect the animator all the way back to the jumping. So we just kind of did it a little bit. Oop. No thank you. I said no thank you. Okay. All right, that should work. Okay, there we are. We are idling right now. Okay, walking, turning, jump. Okay, there we go. We got working idle and jumping animation.